Hello everyone, today we are comparing OnePlus Pad 3, Pad 2 and OnePlus Pad. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. OnePlus Pad and Pad 3 come with 11.61 inches IPS LCD display, and the OnePlus Pad 2 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. OnePlus Pad 2 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the OnePlus Pad and Pad 3 come with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. OnePlus Pad 3 comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera, and the OnePlus Pad and Pad 2 come with 13 megapixel rear cameras and 8 megapixel front cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.